Hey there, how y'all doing today? I'm gonna give y'all an update on the 61 Mercury Comet door latch repair. As you can see here, I've got the thing in the door, and just to do a little review on the thing. There's a ratchet right here. It's a door latch. When you close the door, it starts doing that. It ratchets shut. So when the door comes back and you want to open the door, wants to come open, it won't, because it's just ratchets one way. It's old one, so. But anyways, there it is, and those are the rotating teeth on that side, and here's the fixed teeth. You see, if over here fixed to where those teeth over there can have something to grab onto when it closes, so it won't fly open. And you can see now you shut it. You pull on it, it don't want to open. Push the button. There it is. Here's the inside door handle. There it comes open. There's the door lock. All the way closed where it's locked. All the way down where it's locked. Pull the door handle open. There it comes. And finally, I'm going to show you how to use the keys. On this here, got a little door right there. Anyways, there's the door opening and closing. You have it closed, you pull the key out. You don't want to open. Come down here. The key in the lock. It opens. And there it comes. Well, that's about it on the door lock, but and as you can see, it was originally a white car with a red interior. You still see kind of red interior in there now. It was a beautiful car when it was new, and I might one day put original style interior in it, but honestly, I'm just be glad to get this thing going when I do. And you can see it's got a lot of work to do. I just need some sheet metal work. I want to show y'all the engine in it. And as you can see, it is an inline 6 engine with a points distributor, mechanical fuel pump, and there's a carburetor there somewhere. Yeah, there's the bottom. As you can tell by the yellow paint on the air cleaner, it is a 144, the small engine for this year. 170 was the hot rod engine. It has an inline 6 too, but it had a, I forgot what color that air cleaner was for the 170, but see, it's a Holly. It's a Holly carburetor on it. Let's see if we can see. Well, you can't tell it's Holly on there. They actually make glass bowls you can put on there, but or they used to. It's a simple 1-barrel carburetor. That way, that distributor right there has no mechanical advance. It's all vacuum advance, which is pretty neat. That means it's probably pretty slow. I've never actually driven the thing. We got it. The fella I bought from it said 20 years, and he hadn't done nothing with it, so he put some oil, I think it was Marvel oil, or mystery oil, in the cylinders, let it sit for a few days. It came out and cranked over a few times, and when I got home, I took spark plugs out, and of course it's the same thing, it rotated over. I cleaned the spark plug a little bit, ran the wire. This is very temporary, by the way, to make it run. And I just got it right there to the positive side of the where it goes to the battery from the solenoid, and it does run. But the fella I bought from, he bought from the fella that just rebuilt the engine, and it's leaking. It was leaking water between on the head gasket. The fella probably never got high enough once he rebuilt the engine, so I'll have to go back through there and put all new seals in it. But it'd be a fun project to take it, and clean it up and repaint it and put all new seals in it. Another interesting fact is the intake is made into the head gasket of the head, and it is a free speed on the column, which is pretty neat. And okay, that ain't gonna open, but it's a one pot brake cylinder. So if all the liquid goes, all the brake fluid drains out of it. Good thing's manual, and hopefully by the time I get running, I'll have the Mercury brake working. And really just a really neat car. And for 61, it's got some big fluid. Got some neat little heads on the front. And just look at that rear end on it. And the tail lights are made into the fins. Very sleek, very stylish. Very, very neat car. But anyways, it's a neat old car, and I am planning on doing a lot of work to it. Go through and refreshing the engine up, and same with the transmission. It's missing the drive shaft in the I bought from, scrapped the drive shaft in it. It's in a big old pile, and so I need to do that. Or find one that'll fit, and it did originally come with 13-inch tires, but somebody put 14-inch tires at some point. So I'm just gonna go with that because I think 14 is probably a little easier to find anyways. But anyways, it's a really cool car. Let me show you the free speed. Only the of course, it's got a clutch, gas pedal. Somehow the gas pedal somehow connected to the floor, and because the floor is rotten, it basically came off. But here's the free speed. So you pull it toward you go up, that's reverse. You pull it down, that's first. Okay, and you pull it up, go forward, and go up. That's second. And you pull it down and you're in third. And that's just about the way it is. Really cool. It's a really cool old car. And it does have a Pontiac radio in it. Somebody's put that in there at some point. But it's really a neat old car. And it's really, really simple. And as you can tell, it needs some metal work on it, but it's a really cool car. A lot of cool lines on it. But anyways, and that's about it. Look at there. You can tell Ford Motor Company glass in it. There it is, Ford Motor Company glass. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all, God bless y'all. Hope y'all have a good day, and hopefully see y'all soon.